Our story begins with Divya. Growing up, she was a passionate child, exploring life to her heart's content. But the one thing that really stood out for her was food. It started when she spent long hours with her grandma in the kitchen. Of all the things she learned to make, there was one she fell most in love with: pastries. And since then, she only had one dream: to be the proud owner of a very own bakery. Every journey begins with a step, and Divya takes hers at Taylor's University with the Bachelor of Patisserie Arts. Now, let's meet Divya's soon-to-be classmates, Lim and Zach. Zach dreams of working with a Michelin Star chef. That's why he chose this course, as it includes a coveted internship. Lim, on the other hand, plans to expand his family's Malacca Nyonya Kue business across the country someday. The two boys bonded by working at Tiffin, an on-campus retail bakery that gives students first-hand operational experience. Divya met Lim and Zach in Principles of Pastry and Baking class. In this class, you learn techniques, methods, and processes in creating but they really bonded over a week-long masterclass workshop that featured a famous pastry chef. Their friendship grew along with their baking skills and business know-how, from academic theory to hands-on training. Dedicated expert chef lecturers were with them every step of the way. Divya, Lim, and Zach knew they were on the right track to make their dreams a reality. These past Taylor students were proof of the pudding.
My experience in Taylor's was great. I had a lot of good friends and amazing lecturers who were really helpful and dedicated. And not to mention, world-class facilities for both practical and theory classes prepared me well in starting my own business.
The experience in Taylor's was an eye-opener. I can still remember being exposed to the culinary world, learning what is food, and all the art, science, and psychology that revolves around food and pastry.